Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Ramil G. Pam, 20 years old, from Bungro sa Dalpunso, Ilocos Sur, taking up of Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology, major in electricity at the University of Northern Philippines. My skills are troubleshooting, motor rewinding, and electrical wiring. I successfully finished the on-the-job training for 2 months at the University of Northern Philippines. I am willing to undergo the training of your company to enhance my knowledge, abilities that I have learned in the University of Northern Philippines. I am hoping that I can contribute improvement to your company. Thank you.